like to welcome everyone to the Newsfeed Live Webinar 5 tonight. I'm Brent Cavell, Quality Assurance Manager with the Ontario Corn-Fed Beef Program. I will be your co-host for the evening. This is webinar number 5, another collaborative event produced by the Ontario Corn-Fed Beef and OMAFRA for the benefit of assisting our Ontario producers with management tips and ideas to use in their feeding operations. Something to think about during this webinar would be making informed and well-documented management decisions is critical in your operation success, but even more so when the margin of error is greater exemplified, such as the current stage of the cattle cycle as margins become thinner. The need to know your fixed costs and those that you manage or control within your operation is necessary to determine the amount of risk you are prepared to assume with your business and family. I want to recognize and say thank you to Roberts Farm Equipment and the Ostendorf family and their team for supporting Ontario's beef industry with New Holland and more equipment needs. And in addition, BioAgrimix or BAM have been involved since our early days as well. BAM have been providing technical support and animal health products to Ontario's beef producers for 40 years, and we thank them for their commitment to Ontario's beef industry.